Hi friends! Hello! So today we're going to be doing a video I'm so excited about. I am going to be, I already opened it because, so I guess this title is a little clickbaity because I already opened and used some of this stuff. We're going to be doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I'm so excited. I got this big box in the mail yesterday and I knew I wanted to film kind of a review. I've never done Fab Fit Fun before. The only reason I did it was because of a certain item in the box that I'll get to. It was an item I'd wanted for a really long time. It was very expensive and they had it in the box, and the box itself, normally it's $49.99, but I had a code, which I have a code now apparently. They just send it to you with, I didn't get paid to do this, it's not sponsored, but I have a code now with them, so I'll leave that below if you're interested in getting a box and you want $10 off. I get no money from it, it just gives you $10 off. But the codes are floating around everywhere, so you can get the box for $39.95, which is how much I paid for this box. So, what's inside of it? Let me go get the little magazine. Okay, so it comes with this little magazine inside the box. It's Fab Fit Fun. And it basically has a detailed list of everything that's in the box. So this box is valued anywhere between $321.99 and $367.99, depending on what you got, because this is kind of like BoxyCharm in the sense that there are variants. I did the plan where I didn't pay for like 3 months or for a year or whatever. I'm doing month to month, just because I kind of wanted to see how it was before I like dove in, because it is a little bit pricey just for like a subscription box. Basically, so what you could have gotten, let's go through what I got, and then I'll tell you what you could have gotten, and I'll include some pictures and stuff. Also, this is the little thing they send you that has the little code on it. So it basically just kind of, you would get $10 off if you were to use this code. I get nothing, but I'm going to throw that in the description for you guys. So let's get into the box, because I'm really excited about this box. So this is what it looked like. Presentation is awesome. Like, this is a really cute little box. It was really exciting to go pick up at my little post office place. I will say, tracking for this box, I did not have a great experience with. It said it was going to be here on like the 3rd of June or the 2nd of June. It didn't come till like 7 days later, and the tracking was kind of weird. I had to like actually track it. It didn't just give me a day. I don't know if that's Fab Fit Fun's fault though, so I'm not gonna like hold that against them. But if you're one of those people who like really wants to know when their stuff's gonna be there, or you're kind of anal about it, or you have like a weird system where you need to be home when a package comes, that's just something to keep in mind. That was my experience. Anyway, let's just kind of go through and see what's inside. So, I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Sorry, my desk is so cluttered right now, I need to clean. This is not a good day to do like a big box. So I already ripped it open because I have no control, but it came in this little, like, wrapped in this little paper. This is what the inside of the box looked like. And then you open it up, and all of the products are in there, okay? First and foremost, I am doing a giveaway with this video. So I got a product, which I knew what might happen when buying the box. This wasn't like a surprise. I got a duplicate palette. This is the Tarte Tarteus Pro Glow palette. I actually already own one, so I decided I'm going to do a giveaway with this one. All you have to do is be subscribed, comment, and I'm really trying to build up my Twitter following because I've noticed that YouTube isn't sending out a lot of notifications. So if you would like an extra entry, follow me on Twitter. This is basically what it looks like. My Twitter will be linked down below. It's glow_Smokey. I love this palette, actually. The highlights are beautiful, and I don't love the cream contour shade in it, but the powder contour I use a lot. You'll see it in my description box a lot. This is one of my favorite contour palettes, so I'm really excited to give this to someone. I was kind of nervous I was still probably going to do a giveaway either way. So you could either get this Tarte palette, the Pro Glow, or you could get their On The Go palette with a Sex Kitten liner. Those were the two options. I was really excited I got this one because I've used it and I can give it to you knowing that I love it, whereas I don't know the quality of the other two products. So yeah, this will be a giveaway for one person if you win. I'll let you know. I'm probably going to close it like when I get back from my music festival, so like the 18th, I'll probably announce the winner. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm excited that I can like give something to you guys from this video. So that was cool, and this is a $45 value. So this is already more than I paid for the box, just with this palette, which I love. The next thing I got, let's see, okay, this was one of the ones I could pick. I couldn't pick with the option I got, the option of not doing it paying for the full year, just paying monthly, I was not able to choose, or maybe it's not yearly, it's like there's something, you can pay more to be able to choose every single item in your box, or you can pay less and have a couple of variants that you don't get to choose. I didn't get to choose if I got this Tarte palette or the other little Tarte thing. This one I did get to choose. I got to choose between a train case. I chose this $55 beach towel. I haven't opened it yet because I was kind of trying to save it for the video, mainly because I'm going to a music festival and having a really nice beach towel is like imperative at music festivals. I got the cute little, I got this like kind of like leafy design. It's very soft. It feels kind of like microfiber, which is kind of, ooh, it's nice and big too. I'll kind of show you guys the design I got. I got this really cool like rainbow type of leaf or whatever. It's very nice and huge. It said it was oversized, which I was excited about. I'm really excited about this towel. I would never pay $55 for a towel because I'm just not that bougie in my life. But I think now that I have it, I'm very, very excited. It is very, very soft, which is cool. What's next? Okay. The next thing was a constant. So every single person got one of these. It's this little marbled dish from Pier 1 Imports. And this retails for, I think, $14.99, and you can put, like, rings on it. I think I'm going to put, this is, like, a YouTube thing. I think I'm going to end up putting this on my desk and put my SD cards on it because I always am losing my SD cards. I think I'm going to use this for, like, a designated place for those. But, yeah, this is really cute and little. I like it. Like, it's cute. It's something I wouldn't ever... I like this box a lot because a lot of this is stuff I would never buy for myself. But, like, I like it now that I have it. Does that make sense? And it's fun to, like, try new products. The next thing I got... Let's just talk about the other one that every single person gets. This is, it's called Kula, and it's SPF 50, and it's a face sunscreen. I'm really excited about this because I was actually looking for a really good face sunscreen for when I'm going to my music festival. And a lot of you ask why I don't put on sunscreen when I'm doing my videos or before. If I'm leaving the house, I will. But usually when I'm filming, I'm not going to end up going out in this makeup. Like, I'm going to just end up taking it off after I film, especially when it's summer. Because I just don't wear makeup in the summer, really. I just do it to film. So I did get, but when I'm at my music festival, I will. So I got this Kula Classic Sunscreen. It smells amazing, and it feels like a lotion. And I actually saw these at Sephora. And this is like a brand new product from them. I saw these at Sephora and I was super, super interested in the brand because it was pretty inexpensive. This is $32, which for a sunscreen, kind of pricey. But they had other skincare stuff. So I'm excited to try something from the brand so I can know maybe if I want to try more. But I think this is perfect for summer. Like, everybody needs a good, boys, girls, everyone needs a good sunscreen for their face in the summer. And I think this is a cool product that I'll definitely be utilizing. Oh, this was one I got to pick. So I had the choice of either picking a ring that had like 2 little diamonds on it. It was cute, but it wasn't really my style. I had the choice of picking between that and a de-stress muscle gel, which I was debating about. But I ended up going with the Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. It looks like this. This smells rich. Like, this smells very expensive. How much was it? This normally retails for $48. Oh, it smells so, so good. It smells like, kind of like a dark woodsy type smell. It's not like fresh and bubbly. It's very like woodsy. I really, really, really like this. I used this in the shower yesterday and I love the way my body feels. I feel so soft, like so much softer. The only thing I would say is that it gets like liquidy. It doesn't stay like a paste kind of, so you have to like stir it, but that's like not a big deal. A lot of like scrubs that I've used before do that. I think the only other option that would have been good for other people would have been the muscle gel, just because I feel like that would be a good one. The ring kind of, it said it was like $55, but it didn't look like a $55 ring. So those two options were really great. I love that they give you a good array of options. I just like that. So this one I didn't get to choose either, but I'm glad I got this one. When you look at it, there's like, you kind of like hope you get certain ones, so I'm glad I got this one. There was this Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I already have a lot of peels, so I wasn't super interested in that one. But I ended up getting the Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield. It's a hair protector spray. I do a lot of heat to my hair, especially in the winter and the fall. I straighten and curl my hair frequently. I don't do too much to it in the But this also protects from the sun, which again, I'm going to that music festival in like 3 days. So it'll be really, really fun to be able to like protect my hair and spray this in my hair and have it be protected from the sun, which I love. And I'm also just excited to use this in like my day-to-day life when I do heat style my hair. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out, and it smells fantastic. And the sprayer is like, that was a bad spray, but it smells like, what does it smell like? It smells very fruity and like tropical. I like it a lot. So I'm excited about that. Okay, this one I was like not excited about because I own these. But it was a choice between a face rejuvenator, a little wallet, or this pulley thing. It's not that I'm not happy with this. I just already have a bunch of these rubber things because I used to have to do physical therapy. I like dislocated my knee when I was 16. So sometimes I still have to do stuff for it. It'll like act up. So I already have a bunch of these, but like I guess you could never have too many. And this one's for your arms and you just like work them. When I got it, I was like laying in my bed and I was going like this. I was like working it. These are fun. It's cute. This is definitely probably the least one I wanted out of that bunch, but with the other things in the box, getting one thing that you're not crazy about based on the value of the box and how much you paid for it, I'm really not unhappy. The box presentation, by the way, is super cute. Like, this is adorable. Okay, the final thing, and the reason I got this box was, and every single person got one of these. Foreo Luna, and this is called the Fofo. This is a brand new product from them. I've wanted a Luna for so long because Jamie Page recommends them all the time and says they like do wonders for her face. I actually like, this is not in the packaging anymore because I couldn't wait to use it because I've wanted one for so long, but they're like $150. Like they're like, oh, I just turned it on. They're like $90 to $150, which is just way too expensive for me. And because this one is new, it has a really cool feature. So if you look at these two little metal prongs on the back, if you connect it to the app, which I haven't tried it yet. I know I saw a video, I think it was Jenla's Reviews, said that the app wasn't working yet or something, and they weren't able to like have that up for people yet. It wasn't until they released it to stores because this hasn't been released in stores yet. So I have to try it and see if the app is up and working yet. But once the app is, I'll be able to like put this up against my face and like it'll tell me what my skin type is, allegedly. I'm kind of excited to try that and see if that actually works or if it's just like they're just saying it can do that. But regardless, this gave me such, I've been using, oh, I love this. I'm so happy I have this now. I'm glad I didn't like just cave and spend the $150 to get one of these. This thing is so cute. It's so travel friendly too, which I love because I do travel a lot. And just being able to like wash my face and actually feel it being exfoliated and feel it like all the dirt and all the crud and all the oils that get in your face and everything, feel that happening. My skin looked much clearer this morning and I'm just hoping that this is going to be like as good as everyone says. So far I really like it. The vibrating is like the perfect amount where it's not like intense hurting your face, but you still like feel it. It feels very relaxing against your face. I just love this. Like I'm so happy with this. If this was the only thing I got, it would have been worth the $40 basically that I spent. So let's review. So you get 8 products total. Out of the 8, I've loved 7. I am giving 1 away, but I do love this product. Yeah, I feel like this box was really good. I don't know if they're all this good. This was like a huge win. This Luna was a huge, huge win for me. I don't know if they're all this amazing and like all of the boxes have really good stuff in them, but all of these things are things that I will use and like. And it's like fun because they're things I would never just buy. I would never just buy like a body caviar, but now I have it and I barely paid any money for it. I think the value of the box for what you get is fantastic, absolutely fantastic, like 10 out of 10. I think being able to, and just how informative they are, they tell you about deals, they tell you like in depth on each page about each product. It really was a fantastic experience ordering from them. The fact that you get to choose certain things, if you want to be a select member, you can choose everything. I just didn't want to pay the extra money for that. Yeah, I really, really, really liked this. I'm going to leave my code. Again, I don't make any money from it, but just so you guys can use it if you want it. I think you can still get this box. I'm pretty sure you still can because the way Fab Fit Fun works, it's not like a monthly box like BoxyCharm. It's like they do 4 boxes a year and they're seasonal. So this is the summer box. The next box will be the fall box. I probably will get the fall box. depending if the preview comes out and it's like I don't want any of it, I might not get it. But I think like this was really good, and for what I got, it was a really fun experience. It was fun to like learn everything, play with everything, and all that. Yeah, I really liked this. I would recommend a Fab Fit Fun, even just one, just to try it. And if you hate it, don't get it again. But even just trying one, like this was a lot of fun to do. Yeah, I really liked this. Don't forget there's a giveaway. I am giving this Tarte palette away. So comment down below. What do you have to do? Subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Twitter for an extra entry. And that is all. Yeah, I'm really, really excited to give this away to somebody because I love this palette. But yeah, this whole box is really fun. I really, really liked it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, or just like, or just subscribe, or do neither. I'm honestly just so happy you're watching me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!